Welcome to Zenyo Payroll. In this video, we'll see how an employee can access the employee portal. The admin sends an activation link from the Activation Pending tab under User Management menu. Once the employee accepts the activation link sent through the mail by the Zenyo Payroll admin, they can access the employee portal. The employee portal allows the employees to update their personal details and bank details, submit their IT declarations and proof, view their loans and deductions, claim expenses, view and download payslips and estimated tax sheets. The dashboard gives an overview of the payslips, loans, IT declarations, recent payroll, taxes, celebrations, and upcoming holidays all on a single page. On the Zenyo Portal Employee Portal, click on My Info to update information like personal details, contact, bank details, and family information. Click Save. IT Declaration. IT declarations help reduce taxable income, thereby increasing the take-home pay. Go to IT Declarations and click on the Add IT Declarations button. Choose the financial year, declaration name, and amount. Verify it using the toggle. Upload necessary documents by clicking on the attachments link here. Click Save. The IT declaration gets added to the list. These declarations must be approved by the admin to be included in the tax calculation. Once approved, the status changes to active from pending on the employee portal. Advances and loans. In the Advances and Loans tab, employees can view their loan details and keep track of the deductions and amounts yet to be paid. Click on the employee's name to view the loans and deduction details. Expenses. Employees can claim expenses in the Expenses module. Click on the Add Expense button. Choose the expense type, the expense incurred date, the amount, and the description. Click on the attachments link to upload related bills and documents. Hit Submit and the expense is submitted for approval. The admin can approve the expense on the Expenses module from the Zenyo Payroll admin account. Payslips. The payslips that have been released by the admin will be available in the Payslips module to view and download. Click on the period link to view the payslip details. Click on the PDF icon to download a password-protected PDF version of the payslip. Estimated tax sheet. Choose the financial year and click Apply. Employees can view the regime selected, either old or new, and all the details pertaining to the earnings, deduction, and tax to be paid. Click on the download icon to download a PDF of the estimated tax sheet. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Do let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.